Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. Bells fam, billionaires. I am back with another update video for you guys. Hope you guys are doing great. Bells right now, kind of lagging behind the rest of the market. The rest of the market is making moves, but that's fine, guys. This is how the market is. A lot of projects might move first, and then all of a sudden you sell the project that you sell the project that you have conviction on to go chase the green candles, and then all of a sudden, boom, you see the one that you go to chase pulls back, and the one that you should have stayed holding starts to pump, right? That happens all the time in this space. A lot of people are going to sell the project that they're holding to go and chase green candles. All of a sudden, the project that they were holding starts to pump, and the one that they went to chase starts to pull back, starts to dump on them, right? So don't chase green candles, guys. Have conviction, be patient. Bells is one of those gems that you just have to be patient with as people give it more and more attention, and as the project starts to get more and more recognized, right? So Bells right now sitting at 25 cents, $15.2 million in market cap. Volume dropped a bit, back to 495K, but we saw a little spike on the 1 month or the 24-hour chart, right? We pulled back to 23 cents, but we're seeing a little spike up, right? So that's what I'm saying. People probably sold their bells. Some people probably sold their bells to chase green candles, and now we're spiking up, and then they're gonna FOMO back in and have less coins that they had before, right? I still 100% think that bells could get to $1 billion market cap this cycle, and I'll stand on that. I'll keep making content until it does, and just be like, see guys, I told you, just had to be patient. And this is what happens. This is what pays off for you guys. So bells, a bit of a pullback. That's fine. We see the spike up happening right now as we speak. We see the spike up. So people are starting to get back into bells. I think it's just going to be a patient game, guys. Don't, FOMO. Don't overthink. Don't let your emotions get the best of you. Just be patient with bells, and, keep spreading the message. Keep spreading the word. From Gil Legendary, OG Baby, SNL Normie Compatible, Bells, Billionaires Believe in Something. We see Neo Salix, Shilling Bells, letting people know about Bells. Dragon Arc, Doge on the run, Bells follows soon. Doge is moving up pretty nicely, guys, and with Doge moving up, Bells typically follows Doge. Doge is at 23 cents right now, so that's great for the overall market at large. And bells will follow as Doge continues to move up. 23 cents, and Doge is up. Ethereum is up to 2,500. Bitcoin sitting around 103K. That's great to see, guys. You love to see it. I think, like I said, bells will follow soon. Even if it feels like it's lagging right now, that's fine, because guess what? Back here it kind of lagged the rest of the market, and never started, I think the market started moving around the start of the year, but bells started to move a little bit later in the year. So, that's fine. If it lags a bit, that's fine. I think it's going to catch up. From Grand Bells, some of that will definitely flow into the OG bells. So, from Rect Capital, this cycle has shown us that Doge is breaking. Let me pull it up properly for you guys. Is breaking rallies typically generate new money flow into other meme coins. And again, with Doge rallying, it's going to flow into other meme coins. But I think that's going to also, like Graham Bell said, flow into bells, because, bells was created first before Doge by the founder of Doge, Billy Marcus, right here. And Doggo's Revenge made a tweet and said, why is bells coin going up? And the founder of Doge, Billy Marcus, said, oh, nice. Good job, Doge Daddy. So that is great to see right there. From Winston, Shilling, Altcoin Daily, letting them know, hey, which crypto should I follow today? And he's letting them know about bells, guys. That's what we got to do. BSC Gem Alerts. Binance is listing a low cap ticker. What is it? *1 says bells, right? That's what we got to do. We got to keep it up. And from Rapid Crypto, sharing the altcoin daily video from the past. Altcoin Daily made a video on bells some months ago, and once bells starts to move again, you'll see altcoin daily start talking about bells again and be like, hey, you guys remember the project that I spoke about this time ago? Well, guess what? It's up 10, 20x now, right? Epoch 5 from Rapid Crypto. Epoch 5 halving is here. Only 2 bells per block. Forever supply shock is inevitable. Alt season is coming. Don't fade bells. I think the alt season has officially started, guys. I really think that's the case. From Bells Coin updates, only a few know what we are cooking. Always remember, save the best for
last. The first coin is going to be Bells Coin. If you watch my channel, you know. Just still look at the legs. If you watch my channel, you know. I'm looking for projects that have the potential to do this thing called a viral effect. Just word of mouth. I could go up to them girls right now and say, you heard of Bells? She be like, nah. I say, you better check Bells out. And that's the kind of viral effect it could have, because it has that whole Animal Crossing kind of vibe, and it's got the Bells bag.
So this is from Crypto Gains, you know, very, very successful crypto content creator, already, you know, changed his life multiple times over, and, you know, showing you guys, hey, Bells is the gem that's up next. Don't fade it, right? S on chain, Bells, good morning. Good morning, Billionaire. And the community, as I said, we just got to keep pushing as a community, keep making noise. We got to get out there. We got to move forward. In order for us to see that explosion and that, you know, that great price action, we got to keep pushing forward, guys. We got to keep moving up. You see KK Look sharing Bells. Everything we sell from the zero, everything we'll send with or without you. S on chain replies Bells. And KK Look also putting in that work, letting people know, hey, check out Bells, right? Hold the line, right? So guys, I'm telling you, Bells, in my opinion, will start moving up. It's just patience, guys, even if it's lagging right now. Don't go chasing the green candles and all of a sudden get left behind, guys. That's not the way to go about it. As always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video, let people know about Bells. Let's keep pushing forward. None of this is financial advice, and if you want to support further, my Bells wallet is in the description if you guys want to donate, and it'll really be appreciative if you guys could support further. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.